I just feel like I'm not using my time wisely enough. I need to be more productive. So I decided that tomorrow I'm going to wallpaper my dishwasher. You haven't done that yet? I just finished my refrigerator last week. I'm already onto the bathroom. I got this great print. It's heart flowers. You know, like it has the stems and the leaves, but instead of a flower, there's a heart. It looks so good on the toilet. My whole house is now starting to look so whimsical. It's just that I have no idea how I look ever since I wallpapered the mirror.